Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to this new video. In this video I'm going to take my S1 for a POV test drive in some mountain roads in Germany. I've got Miltec catback exhaust, even 3 intake, 4H-Tech short shifter, lowering springs. I will show you the engine. I got the even 3 intake, which works really good. Upgraded brakes and stuff. It's a little bit rainy outside, so that's of course good for the Quattro. And yeah, let's have some fun. Also, this car is the same engine as the first gen Golf 7R, 2-liter turbo. Which is a cool fact. I love this sound between these buildings. It's gonna rain, too bad. Just keeps pushing, and that's what I love about this car. It just feels like it never stops. I drove 260 on the Autobahn. That's pretty quick for a small car like this. roof open with the rain. You drive quick enough, you will not get wet. But this car is perfect for this weather, for every weather, if you ask me. Rain, snow, thunder. Got a nice Integra Type R here, the BMW M4 from France and Switzerland. 30N 2 competition, of course. He's sliding all the way up. Grip. Keeps sliding it in the rain. I'm gonna do a small tunnel run. Amazing Folks RS Steeds, stage 3 tuned. Some of the Dutch guys. The Glanza here. Okay, this was the POV test drive of my S1. Now it's tuned. I already did one when it only deleted the mid silencer. Now with the Miltech and stuff. So hope you liked it. If you liked it, feel free to subscribe, and see you at the next POV test drive. Thanks for watching.